How to log in Oculus Quest 2 without using Facebook. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So for that what you need to do is update your Oculus Quest 2 firstly. Ensure that your Oculus Quest 2 headset is updated to the latest firmware. You can do this by connecting it to the Wi-Fi and checking for updates in the settings menu. Create a Meta account. Open the Oculus app on your smartphone. Go to the Meta's website, that is https://meta.com. To create a new Meta account, follow the prompts to set up your Meta account with an email address and password. You will no longer need a Facebook account for this. Log in with your Meta account, turn on your Oculus Quest 2 headset, and now when prompted to log in, select the option to log in with your Meta account. Enter your Meta account credentials, that is email and password, to log in. Now migrate your data. If applicable, if you're previously using a Facebook account to log in, you may need to migrate your data to the new Meta account. Follow the prompts provided during the login process and transfer your data. By following these steps, you should be able to use your Oculus Quest 2 without needing the Facebook account. So that's how you can do this. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.